Do you need a diaper?
Wipes.
Oh, the wipes. You want the wipes?
Wipes.
Oh, Richard, good job. You're changing the diaper on the baby. Wow. Good job, Richard. I was never expecting that, ever. It's amazing. I'm glad I got a movie. All right. Good job, Richard.